say, oh, right in the box. Opening my Sephora box. And I was going to run this straight through with no edits, and now... Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I have an unboxing video for you today. Yep, I just got my Sephora Play box for this month, and I'm going to open it up and apparently get stung by a bee in the process. I'm going to open it up with you guys today. If you're new here, my name is Angie, and my channel is all about life improvement. We talk a lot about fitness, a lot about nutrition. I'm also an avid reseller on the Poshmark app, so I do a lot of thrift videos, and then I also share with you things that make my life fun, and these Sephora Play boxes are one of them. So if you are not familiar, Sephora Play is a subscription service. It's $10 a month, and they send you a little basket of goodies for hair care, skin care, things like that. I don't typically spend a lot on beauty products, because, you know, we own a gym, so I'm always having my hair up in a ponytail, and I'm sweaty, and I don't wear a lot of makeup because of that. So these boxes are a fun little $10 treat where I get to try new stuff and that I normally wouldn't purchase. As you can see, I'm outside and it's windy, so this door is probably going to hit me in a minute. Alright, so all I've done is I did just cut the box open. So the first thing when you get your box is they give you a little poster, and they give you Sephora Play points. So if you make a purchase at Sephora, you basically get some bonus beauty insider points, and then you can redeem those for different items. Again, because I don't buy a lot of beauty stuff, I don't have a boatload of Sephora points. But yeah, it's a perk. If you buy a lot of makeup and hair care products, it's a great program to be a part of. Alright, so in the box today, we have their little box, or excuse me, bags, little Ziploc bag, and it says, what are you waiting for? Open me. Hashtag Sephora Play. I never remember to put that hashtag on any of my YouTube videos. Alright, so I'm just going to dump this out into the box, and then we'll just start grabbing stuff. Alright, so first up, we have a perfume sample. It is Good Girl by Herrera, and I'm wearing perfume already today, so I don't know how this is going to go with what I've already got on. I like it. It's a little spicy. It's a little woodsy, musky, which is more my style. I don't like real flowery stuff. Complex, vibrant, and evocative. This scent brings the duality of good versus bad to life with warm florals. Okay, so I just said one really flowery, and apparently it's got florals. Shows you how much I know. Alright, next up is this really pretty colored something. It says Coco Cabana Cream. Moisture Magna Oil in Water Body Cream. I'm all about a thick body cream because, like, from here up, my body thinks that, or here, my body thinks that I'm still like 13 and it needs to be greasy and broken out and gross. But the rest of my body is really, really dry skin. So this will be nice to try. It says a coconut-infused body cream that delivers intense hydration for 72 hours. So that's good. And like I said, I love this little color. It's very cute. Didn't really fix my hair before I did this today. I hope it looks better on camera than it does in real life, because I'll tell you in a minute, I'm really in need of a wash. Speaking of hair, ACV Apple Cider Vinegar Hair Rinse by DP Hue. So apple cider vinegar is going to save your life, says the internet. You know, you got a stomach bug, drink apple cider vinegar. You got gout, drink apple cider vinegar. You know, you're aging and you want to reverse aging, take a bath in apple cider vinegar. I don't know. I tried to get in the apple cider vinegar habit. I didn't even mind the taste. It just, I could not get into that habit. So if it's really good for you and you've seen some benefits, comment below. because all I could think about was all that acidity on my teeth, and my teeth are already craptastic. So I digress. Hair rinse. So wet scalp and hair, squeeze excess water out, apply directly to scalp. This says that it is supposed to hair and scalp cleansing rinse that contains apple cider vinegar. No duh. The shampoo and conditioner substitute protects hair color, adds softness to strands, and refreshes the scalp with natural ingredients like aloe vera, argan oil, and of course apple cider vinegar. So this is interesting. Going back to my hair looking craptastic and needing to be washed. A couple of weeks ago, my daughter was telling me about the Curly Girl method. It's a method of washing and protecting your hair for those of us that have curly hair. So I was like, well, I'll try that, you know. Sounds like something that my hair could benefit from because it is really curly. So you can't use sulfate-based shampoos, and you can't use products that have silicone in them. So the good news was I already had some gels and whatnot that didn't have silicone in it, and I had a conditioner that would work. And a lot of Curly Girl method is you don't wash your hair all that often. You use conditioner, and you know, you use conditioner like shampoo, and you call it a co-wash. So I was like, okay, I got this, no big deal. But then, like, because I own a gym and because I get sweaty, I was like, okay, this not shampooing is gonna be a problem. Now, I didn't shampoo very often anyway, like 2 or 3 times a week, but my hair just was feeling gunkier and grosser and grosser. And so a couple days ago on the way home, I stopped at the local Dollar General. I was gonna pick me up some shampoo. Well, they don't warn you how hard it is to find sulfate-free shampoo on like a little quick trip. Dollar General had nothing. So finally today, I made a special trip to Walgreens, and I should have brought it out here. I bought some Not Your Mother's shampoo. I'm super excited because I just feel like I really need to wash my hair. So all of that to say, I'm gonna have to check the ingredients on this product and make sure that there's not something in there that's not Curly Girl method approved. Because basically with Curly Girl method, you're just trying to limit the things that could build up in your hair or the things that could strip your hair of all its natural oil. So that's my random side note for the day. And again, I apologize for some of this. It's pretty bad. All right, moving on. We have a tube of something. You can see it before I can. Whoop. Coola Mineral Sun Silk Cream Sunscreen. Okay, this is good because I don't have any sunscreen because we used my entire bottle last weekend. So this is coming in a pinch because I haven't thought to get any more, and I'm going to be out in the sun all day Saturday and all day Sunday. And while your girl likes a good tan, I don't like a good lobster look. So this will probably not make it through the weekend. Okay, there's 2 more things. We have a baggie. Oh, I didn't read anything about that except just that it was sunscreen. An oil-free mineral sunscreen that helps protect skin from UV rays and pollution. Question is, how's it going to do with this grease slick that is my face? All right, back to this. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't know if this lancome or if it's lancome, or if my southern is got it completely butchered all the way around. But anywho, this is vitamin infused mascara primer. It lengthens and thickens lashes without clumping. Maximizes the results of your favorite Lancome mascara. Cool. This weekend, like I said, I was going to be out in the sun. I actually have I guess this is the second pinup contest. Yes, the second pinup contest this year. I am going to be at Beatersville, and shameless self-plug, I'm going to put a link below, and if this is before May 24th of 2019 when you're seeing it, go to the link below. My husband just came out the door and he's sneezing his head off. Yeah, but now I'm stopped. Opening my Sephora box. And I was going to run this straight through with no edits, and now You messed it all up. And we're back. So, if you're watching this before May 24th, I will put the link down below. I would love it if you would go to that link and like my picture. They're having an online contest before the actual pinup contest, and I'm doing okay. I'm not in the top 3, but I'm doing okay. And if you wanted to drop me a vote, I would love it. So, anyway. So this is a primer that I will probably use. I'll trial run it on Saturday and see what I think about it. And then if I like what it does, I will use it on Sunday when I get all girlied up. All right, last item in the box is, sorry for my ugly CrossFit hands. It is a lipstick. This is called Ride or Chai by Bite Beauty. It's an amuse-bouche. Okay, I'm sorry. Normally I hate fancy words when plain words would suffice, like appetizer. It's an appetizer, but for some reason I enjoy amuse-bouche. Amuse-bouche. So this is an amuse-bouche lipstick, a creamy high-impact lipstick in a trendy mauve brown shade. I typically look really well in mauve browns. So here we go. Okay, I paused because I was like, ooh, I could give this as a freebie in my not CrossFit closet, in my Poshmark closet. Like if you buy a shirt, you can get this lipstick free. So I'm debating on whether or not I should use this. Nah, let's do it. Because if I ship a lipstick this time of year, the chances are pretty good. Ow, ow, hurt my foot. Chances are pretty good. It'll be like destroyed before it got there. Melted all over the clothes. That would not be good. All right. Oh yeah, like a pig putting on lipstick. It looks kind of ridiculous with the fact that I have no other makeup on. But it ain't bad. I mean, it's kind of a nice natural looking color. I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. That will not go in my Poshmark closet because only new makeup can be sold on Poshmark. The more you know. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So that is this month's Sephora Play box. In it this month, we got a lipstick, a mascara primer, some sunscreen, some body lotion, some smell good, and some apple cider vinegar hair rinse. So, if you've been considering playing with these boxes, I've done Birchbox and I've done Sephora Play. I like both of them a lot, but I can't justify spending on both of them. So, hope you enjoyed my little video. I highly recommend Sephora Play. And I will put some links to some other videos you might enjoy somewhere around here. And if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, move on. And if you want to subscribe to get more life improvement ideas from me, I would love it. I'll drop links below to all my stuff. You guys have a great day. Yay. I can't talk today. You guys have a great day. Stay strong, y'all. Bye. Come here. Thank you. Shank you. Shank you.